Hi, welcome to Custom Crate Engines by Proformance Unlimited. First, I'd like to thank David Miller of Brand New Muscle Cars for this great opportunity and taking us on this journey with him. We're going to be building some fantastic motors. We have been building some fantastic motors from him. You see in the last few months we built some nice Pro Charge motors, some of these 427 Windsor motors for the Mustangs that he builds. Now we're into a new project here, and this is the YenkoR project. This is going to be a TV series, going to be shot here and at his own shop. This happens to be the first one going into the 1969 YenkoR Camaro. This happens to be a 427 big block. And anyone that's interested in one of these builds, they can contact us. We'd be happy to manufacture one for you. But I'll go through this a little bit. This one starts out with the ZL1 aluminum racing block by GM. You can see this is an all aluminum engine. It's got some fantastic characteristics to it. It's a 4-bolt splated main caps, steel. It's got all screw-in oil galleys and freeze plugs to it. And we started out with a Eagle rotating assembly. There's a forged rotating assembly with some fantastic pieces to it. We got some nice 427 aluminum forged pistons going into this. It's got a great forged I-beam connecting rod. Fantastic motor. And we're finishing it off with some GM aluminum cylinder heads. We actually took the cylinder heads to get the spring that we want on there. We cut the spring pockets out to fit the spring that we like on this engine. This has got a fantastic hydraulic roller cam in it. Again, here at Proformance Unlimited, each and every engine is custom built by hand. You can see we hand file all the rings one at a time. Nothing is gone that isn't gone over. All Cleveite bearings in the engine. Great parts throughout all of our builds. So if you're looking for anything, give us a call at 1-800-267-3940, and you can see us consistently building some of these great pieces here. Again, I'm going to continue with this build as it goes together, and this is going to finish off with a Holley EFI system on it. Check us out. Can't wait to hear from you. Thank you.